Hey, sometimes to get where you want to be financially and to get to your goals, to reach your goals, it's gonna take them long nights and early mornings. You know what I'm saying? Uh, everybody ain't fortunate, you know. I mean, everybody kind of is if they put the work in to make a shitload amount. You know what I'm saying? Trading, you feel me? But actually, manual work, it's gonna take some grinding. You feel me? Like this month, I'm trying to go for 40,000 in the field, really in like 2.5 weeks. Flying this motherfucking drone. It can be done, but it's just gonna take, you know what I'm saying, 12-hour days all week. You feel me? Which I don't have a problem with. I'm on the road. I'm getting to it. I ain't got time to play. So I'm trying to bust down 200 sites in 2.5 weeks. 200 sites, times 210. 200 sites times 210, 42 racks. I could do it. A little extra grind. Like, you know what I'm saying? I wake up, 5:30, 6. Might leave the Airbnb about 6:30, 7-ish. Get to my first location around 7:10. And we grinding until goddamn 8 o'clock. You feel me? But it's just driving and flying, really, and taking pictures with my phone. This ain't really no work, if you ask me. So, again, man, if y'all interested, man, make sure y'all hit that first link in my bio. It's the very first link in my bio. It's going to take you out of TikTok. I do have an ebook, I do have a vendor list, and I do have an already made, done for you email template so you can reach out to them folks on the vendor list. Or if you done found somebody else, you know what I'm saying, as far as a drone service provider that's in Telecom, you can use the email to reach out to them with that. But yeah, man, to get to your dreams, it's gonna take a lot more risk taking and efficiency.